Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited today. You're probably wondering, like, by the title of this video, I'm obviously using a new product. You're probably like, what is her wash day routine? So I just want to let you guys know that what I did in my last video, my updated wash day routine featuring my boyfriend, that is my regular every week wash day routine. I'm going to just close the store. However, I have been hearing a lot about this product. It's backwards. The WETLINE XTREME Professional Gel. And so I just wanted to give it a try because I'm used to using Eco, and as you know, it's, especially if you have dry hair, that's not the best option because it is very drying and it has alcohol. I'm sorry about the noise. I have my shower going because it takes like 5 minutes to warm up. But I'm going to start by washing my hair with the Natural Club Avocado Cleansing Shampoo. This is my go-to because it's the perfect balance of moisturizing and cleansing. I had trouble when I just switched to like a co-wash with product buildup, and just overall my hair wasn't really thriving, so I know that I need a cleansing shampoo, but I don't want to have the oil stripped because, again, I do deal with dry hair. So this is perfect for me. I'm going to go ahead and wash with this, and then I'll be out and we will get right into it. Okay, so my hair is freshly washed and I'm ready to go ahead and get started. So in my spray bottle here, I have water. I have some of this Nourishing Avocado Leave-In Conditioner, and I also put in some of this Diva Curl Diva Fresh product mix, but I want to see how adding this product to this mixture works for me. I will first begin with the Diva Curl Leave-In Conditioner. Okay. So I'm just going to take small sections. This is 100% experimental, guys. This is my first time using the WETLINE gel. Okay, so just gonna brush through it a little bit. Yikes. So here's some of the things that I guess I'll talk about for comparison. My gel of choice really has been Eco Styling Gel, but I have stopped using it as much because it is pretty drying and I have dry hair and it has alcohol in it. And some people are able to use it because their hair is just stronger than mine. Mine is not there yet. I don't know if it will ever be. But I pretty much stopped using it. Occasionally I'll do a slick style, but not often. I pretty much do wash and goes, and I don't ever use Eco for those. I do use, now it says this is 24-hour duration, extreme fixation, and it's rated 10. Can you see that there? I don't know, it's so blurry, but it's rated 10. And this, I can tell you now, you definitely get more. This is 35.27 ounces. And my Eco, which is like right here, is 16 fluid ounces. So this is more than twice that. And this was $2.99 at Target. I don't know if it's at beauty supplies. It might be, but a lot of times things are cheaper there. So let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so it smells good. It smells fruity. It doesn't feel as thick or heavy as Eco. So that's just something to keep in mind, I guess. So I'm going to saturate my hair just because I find it's easier for me to get the definition I'm looking for when I do that. Okay. Right. I like to do this thing where I either take a section and kind of just run my fingers down it to get it more curly, or I might do a little twirl, but I just barely do that because I don't want to turn it into finger coils. I don't love the way those turn out for me just because my hair is kind of short now, so it draws way up. But this is how much I'm going to start with. And put it on the section. And maybe I will do my little twirlies just to, yeah. Okay, this is very curly. I like it. I'm excited to see how it dries. I kind of like clumpy curls, so this is the section of my hair that I'm really curious about. Can you see that? There's just a lot more frizz and texture. Now, personally, I think it's just damaged ends, but when I have gone to get my trim, she just says, you know, curly hair has texture, so I'm gonna leave it and just see where it ends up and how it turns out. It does already look a little bit smoother and less frizzy than it usually does, so that's a good sign. We'll have to see how it dries. Now this, ooh, part of me just wants to cut it off, but let's just go with it. Okay. This is probably about 20-30 minutes later. I have gone in and put the gel all over my hair. It is still wet though, so I'm not going to give final thoughts until it's dry and it has settled in. And I might even give more thoughts tomorrow because your hair always behaves a little bit differently the second day. What I see now is it's very defined. The curls are very, very, very defined. They are elongated right now, obviously. I'm gonna see if that remains. I like it so far. My hair doesn't feel heavy or weighed down either. I think this is gonna be good. This back section here, so far it's definitely a lot less frizzy. Maybe I'll try to turn around so you guys can see. Like back here, it's usually very, very, very frizzy. We're gonna see how it dries. But yeah, so far I like it. So far I really do like it. So I am going to go diffuse with my blow dryer with the diffuser attachment. Okay, my hair is probably 80% dry, maybe. Now I can't tell if the back is looking any better than usual. It looks, I think with the exception of like this part up here, oh, you can't even see. So with the exception of this part up here, most of the back is looking better than usual, for sure. Looks fluffy, curly. So now I'm going to see what it does for edges. This is probably not the best hairstyle for this, but we'll see. And I'm just going to be using this brush on one end, comb on the other. I haven't really gotten the hang of using the comb end, honestly, so I'm not going to. Now, if this doesn't work, I'm not going to be disappointed because gels just don't work for my hair, for my edges. They just don't. But I'm going to give it a try. Let's see. I'm just going to do a little Swoop-de-doop. I just don't think gel is for me when it comes to my edges, but I'm gonna go ahead and keep trying and then put the scarf on and see how it ends up. See, it's all right. So for now, I'm just gonna leave it with the gel. I have a feeling I'm gonna have to put edge control on later, but I don't want to taint the results. So I will leave it at this. All right, y'all. It has probably been, I don't know, maybe 20 minutes or so since I put on the scarf. That is usually plenty for my edge control, but this is not an edge control. So keep that in mind. And this is what we got. So, can y'all see that? My thoughts. Better than Eco Styling Gel for sure. But not up to par, which is perfectly fine because that's not really what this product is for. It's not an edge product. But for a gel, I think it did a pretty good job because like I said, I can never get gels really to do much of anything for me. But I am still going to go in with my edge control. And I'm using, I've used it so much that the words came off. But I do have a new one. I get this from just any beauty supply. Oh, these came off too. It's Edge Effect. I know that, Edge Effect. And they're usually by the register and they're color coded. They come in strengths 1 to 5. This is the strongest one, the pink one. Here, Edge Effect. I'm not sure if that's going to get any clearer, but this is my favorite edge control. I've had trouble with edge controls before, which I don't really know why because I don't have particularly coarse hair. I'm thinking maybe my hair is actually too fine for it and it just kind of loves to curl up, but this stuff, I love it. I love it so much. So I'm just going to go in with this now on top of the gel just to get it nice and slick and then put my scarf back on. Okay. It's definitely more defined than usual, so that's a plus. I like it a lot. I want to see how it wears throughout the day. Let me go ahead and put my scarf on before my hair just starts curling up. But yes, I love this. Earlier, it was around 10 or 11 when I was doing my hair and saying, oh, I'll be back a little later. And I ended up going on errands with my dad and then straight to work. And so now it's like 8:30. So I have a full day's wear, I guess, out of it. And it looks very good. Like, I really, 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 really like the way it looks. And even more than that, I like the way it feels. It's like you get the definition and the anti-frizz properties of a gel, but it's so soft. Like, I have never had a gel leave my hair this soft before. So I really, really like it. So I'll show you guys the back. It looks good, guys. I'm really happy with it. My final thoughts on the gel are that I love the price. I love how much you get. I love that it makes your hair soft, but it still does act as a gel and define your curls. And it seems to be living up to the claims. So if you're thinking about getting this gel and you weren't sure, you wanted to know how it fares on hair, and I have dry hair, by the way, so that's another factor. If you wanted to know, you know, what you're getting into, I would definitely endorse this gel. So Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, share, and let me know if there's any other content that you would like me to do for you guys. All right?